Alright, we're on the Grand Princess, and it's the last day of the cruise. We're in the port of LA, San Pedro, and we're going to take a walk on the Promenade Deck 7. So we're going to start by going into the theater real quick. This is the Princess Theater. Pretty nice place. Good sight lines. Not a lot of these. In fact, there's just two. And they're way back here. So we're going to walk aft on the starboard side of Promenade Deck 7. So this is the forward elevator stair tower right there. Over on the other side, there's nothing. There's a dead end right here. This is the shore excursion desk. Over there is the Crown Grill Steakhouse. This is the library. They've locked all the books up. The future cruise person is right there. We're out in the Atrium now, the piazza. So some shops, Crooner's Bar. Of course, you can see down there. It's only 3 decks high, just like most Princess ships. And we're already at the other elevator lobby. See that? Oh. Coming up to the Explorer's Lounge. And I think there's a new crew getting on here maybe today. A lot of people with tags. So that's the Explorer's Lounge and the bar, of course. Explorers. Now we're coming to the photo gallery. Wheelhouse bar here.
Once again,
good job.
We're ready for you. You would like to disembark the ship right now?
See, they're disembarking. So there's the Wheelhouse Bar. That's Sabatini's Italian restaurant. Photos. Lots of photos. This is the ocean front medallion class. This is where you get help with the medallions, and they've got all these maps and interactive screens and everything. And this is the aft stair tower and elevator lobby. We are now in the Vista Lounge, and that's it. That's all it takes to walk the length of the ship on Promenade Deck 7. So, from the Grand Princess, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye.